Hi everyone, and welcome to Pottery Day. I'm so excited to share this creative journey with you all. My name is Semi and pottery has been a passion of mine for quite some time. It's not just about crafting beautiful pieces, it's about the joy of working with clay and turning simple materials into something extraordinary. Here on Pottery Day, we'll explore everything pottery, from beginner-friendly tutorials to advanced techniques, tips for creating unique designs, and even DIY tools and materials you can use at home. Whether you're new to pottery or an experienced artist, there's something here for everyone. What inspired me to start this channel is my love for experimenting with clay and the idea of sharing this art with others. Pottery is such a versatile and fulfilling craft, and I can't wait to see what we create together. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of pottery, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's shape, mold, and create magic together. Thank you for stopping by, and I can't wait to see you in our first tutorial video. Let's make every day a pottery day. Bye for now.